Well, hello there and welcome to this training nugget. Today, we're really having an exciting topic to discuss: passive income. If you have ever dreamed of earning money while you sleep or having a stream of income that doesn't require constant effort, then you're in the right place. In this video, we will deep dive into the concept of passive income and explore some strategies that you can use to start generating it. So let's get started. First things first, let's define passive income. Well, passive income is money that you earn with little or no effort on your part. Unlike active income, which requires trading your time and labor for a paycheck, passive income allows you to generate revenue even when you're not actively working. Now, let's discuss some popular ways to generate passive income. Remember, these are just but a few examples and there are many more possibilities out there. Number 1. Rental properties. Investing in real estate and renting out properties is a classic example of a passive income. By purchasing a property, you can earn regular rental income without actively working for it. Of course, managing the property or hiring a property manager will require some effort, but it's still considered a form of passive income. Number 2. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stock is another way of generating passive income. When you invest in stocks of companies that pay dividends, you earn a portion of their profits regularly. It's like being a shareholder and receiving a share of the company's earning without actively participating in its operations. Number 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allows you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for investment payments. This is a form of passive income because once you make the initial investment, you'll earn interest without the need to actively manage the loans. This is a form of passive income because you'll have made an initial investment and you'll earn interest without the need to actively manage the loans. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular business model where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for each of the sale or lead that you generate. It's a great way to generate passive income. If you have a website, blog, In conclusion, passive income is a way to build financial freedom and create additional income streams that don't require consistent active participation. So start exploring different strategies, take action, and begin your journey towards generating passive income. Well, thanks for watching, and if you found this video very helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, take care. Happy earning.